4th generation Lexus RX is one of the best selling premium grade SUVs in the country right now. Not because it looks sporty, not because it is aesthetic, not because it has leather interior, but because it retains its value over a long period of time and it is very, very reliable. Buying this SUV today will cost you nothing less than 40 to 55 million naira depending on the trim. But after spending all those millions, how much does it really cost to own and maintain a 2016 to 2022 Lexus RX350 in Nigeria? My name is Crank and this is True Cost by 234 Drive. The stock headlights will cost you 800k for both. It comes with one bulb and the LEDs. And there's a different kind that has 3 LED bulbs. That one will set you back around 1.2 million naira for the both of them. The complete front bumper is going to cost you around 450,000 naira. The spindle grille is going to cost you 250,000 naira. This logo here, if it goes missing or it cracks, it's going to set you back around 30,000 naira for just this logo. You can see these things here. These are the sensors, the collision sensors. You have about 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They cost about 40,000 naira each. Behind here, you have a radar sensor, like a camera, that costs about 250,000 naira if it goes missing. The fender costs around 100,000 naira for one. The side mirror is 200k for one. Just the side mirror is 200k, just this side mirror. If anything happens to your side mirror glass, this is about 75,000 naira each because it has the BSM sign on it and they steal it a lot. In fact, let me explain something to you. The last thing you want to do as an owner of a 4th generation RX350 is park it outside because they will steal this chrome, they will steal your mirror, they steal a lot of things in this car. Even in traffic, while you're on motion, they will pull this out and steal it. And this thing costs about 100,000 naira each if they steal it. For the tail lights cost 800,000 naira for the complete thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 800,000 naira. The complete rear bumper is 550,000 naira. Mind you, when you buy a bumper, it doesn't come with this chrome exhaust tip. The exhaust tip costs 300,000 naira for both, 150k each. I think the parts on this car are very expensive. Then the door is about 600,000 naira. If you get into a collision that affects the door, 600k to replace that. The wheels on the RX350 will set you back around 1 million naira for a set of 4. The tires, if you're buying brand new tires, that should be around 250k, 300k. If you're buying Tokumbo tires, that should be around 65k each. The shock absorbers is about 500k for the front, a pair. For the rear, 400k for a pair. This disc you are seeing, the brake disc or brake rotor, is about 200,000 naira for a pair. Brake disc on the RX350 is about 45,000 naira for a pair. Then the shaft is about 350,000 naira for a pair. The thing is, most cars in Nigeria and Africa, because we have bad roads and regular cars go on these bad roads, suspension parts are the first to fail. Let's check under the hood and see what maintenance costs, the engine, the drivetrain. Let's see how much it's going to cost to replace or repair the drivetrain components. Ooh. This is the successor to Toyota's 2GR FE engine. This is called a 2GR FKS V6 3.5 liter engine. It costs about 3.5 million naira to replace this entire engine, while the 8-speed automatic transmission costs 6 million naira. So make sure you do your transmission service, make sure you do your engine oil change at the right time. To maintain this car, servicing, oil change should cost you about 120,000 naira if you're using a high quality synthetic 5W20 or 5W30 grade oil, engine oil. So that should cost you about, and the oil filter maintenance, give or take between 100k and 120k if you're using the original oil. This is the ABS machine, something that seems to fail not quite often, but I've seen cases where they just go bad. 800,000 naira for the stock OEM ABS machine. The compressor in this Lexus is about 300,000 naira if your AC stops cooling and it is compressor. 300,000 naira for that. Here we have the ECU, also known as the brain box. This is the brain of the car, the computer of the car. If anything happens to your RX ECU, it's going to cost you around 850,000 naira to replace that. Things on this car very expensive. The battery should be around 100,000 naira for a quality, high quality 75 amps battery. Because this is a V6 engine, you have 2 main catalysts, and each of them should cost you around 300 to 320k. Both of them, let's just say 600,000 naira for the engine catalyst. Your radiator, the radiator, if your car starts to overheat and your radiator is bad, that should be around 150k. For the radiator fan, that should be around 200,000 naira. That is as far as the maintenance goes, and based on reports over the last 3 years, this car is very reliable. It doesn't develop issues that were not there before or that you didn't cause as an owner. Camera. And like I said in the beginning of this video, the RX350 combines luxury, comfort, up-to-date features and reliability. I mean, look at the interior. Take a look at the interior. You have HUD, you have heated steering, you have everything. But this is a premium trim, so that's why it has all of this. The base trim doesn't have these things, but it is still packed. You have heated seats, you have leather seats. So yeah, let me know. What do you think about the 4th generation Lexus RX350? Is it an SUV you would buy? Let me know in the comment section if there's any car you would want me to do a true cost on. Just put in the comments. And if you know anyone that has this car, or you have one yourself and you spent some money I didn't talk about, or there are some issues I did not mention, please let me know in the comment section. Remember to join our WhatsApp community. Just check the comments, it is pinned there. Join our WhatsApp community so we can have one-on-one interaction. My name is Crank, and see you next time.